So let's talk about multi-step equations. Sometimes when we solve equations, we're going to have more than one step. When this happens, we always want to start with the operations furthest away from x and then move inward. So like in number 1, I have 3x subtract 7. 3 is closest to x and the subtract 7 is further away. So I'm going to start by doing the opposite. Always split my equation and I'm going to add 7 on both sides. This is going to make 3x equals 27. And then I have one step operation. The inverse of multiplication is division. X is 9. Same thing is going to apply to number 2. So when I do this, I'm always going to start with furthest away from x. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. This is secretly division, so I'm going to get rid of it by multiplying by -2 on both sides. X equals 24. X is 24. With number 3, plus 1 is closest to x, then I'm dividing by 3. So the way I'm going to get rid of that is by multiplying by 3 on both sides. Then I'm left with x plus 1. So x is 17. I want you to go ahead and practice some simple two-step equations before we move on.